guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, KristinCena. So for today's video, we are going to do an unboxing. If you're someone who loves subscription boxes, unboxing, and also beauty products, please consider subscribing and tap the red button down there. In this video, we are going to unbox the Nudie Glow subscription box. I really love the color of this. It really is like nude, like Nudie Glow. And the thing about this subscription box is that it comes out quarterly. That means they have summer edition, winter, autumn, and spring edition. And this is my first box from Nudie Glow. This is their winter edition. So it came out, they started distributing around August 16, and this cost $25. Without further ado, let's open the box. So it's like the first thing that you're gonna see is a card. It says, "You are beautiful." That basically Nudie Glow, their subscription box is all about sheet mask. Okay, so of course the instructions right here are on how to use the sheet mask. In this box as well, we will be having 5 sheet masks and also 1 bonus product. So we'll find out. Here are all the products from the box, and I'll show them to you one by one. For the first item, it is this J1 Jelly Pack Luminous Mask. So the thing about this is that Nudie Glow is a Korean beauty products. So I actually cannot read what's behind, what's written at the back part. So I really don't know what this is for. It says also aqua and black complex. Second item is by Wishtrend Natural Vitamin 21.5 Enhancing Sheet Mask. Wishtrend is also popular. They also have their own YouTube channel. And this one is antioxidant, skin tone improvement, calming, and moisturizing. So I used to put on sheet mask before, but I stopped. So this is a good start for me to do sheet mask, to make it a habit for me, because I know sheet mask is also good and it's really like a hype in Korea. Okay, for the third item is this Clavu. There's a lot of you here. White Pearlsation Enriched Divine Pearl Serum Mask. So you cannot really read anything. There's an instruction, but most of the sheet mask has same instruction. This one is only 1-step sheet mask. For the last item, it is this antioxidant injection. Like, I do love the packaging. It really is an injection picture right here. And it is from this brand, Bano Scientific Basis. These are the 4 products that I received. And the bonus product is this All Clean Balm, Clean and Comfortable Beauty Intensive Cleansing Balm by Hamish. I think Hamish. Yeah, Hamish is the brand. It is a daily cleanser for removing heavy makeup easily. This is just a sample product, guys. So when I open this, for sure I cannot reuse it again. Among all the 4 masks that I received, I'm most excited in this J1 and also this natural vitamin. So I'm gonna use this in the future, and maybe I'll update you guys in the description box on how it felt, like if it really was effective. That completes this video. Those are the items that I received from the Nudie Glow subscription box, and the overall amount of the items that I received is $30. That means I kind of saved $5. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your favorite sheet mask. Bye!